Explore with Slore. It's your girl Explorer, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So today, guys, it is 420, which means that we are gonna garden till we can't garden no more. But before we get into that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell, and make sure you hit all post notifications so you can get my videos when I first post them. Enough talking, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so we are gardening now. We have a special guest here, Mia.
Oh, what's up?
This is also a special guest. She trying to get her phone plugged in. This is my cousin Sharonda. Say what's up to the vlog. Yes.
Hey,
Do you want to say your socials, like your social media? Do you want them to know that? Okay, I will add that in the description below, and you guys can check that out. Yeah, we're just sitting here, guys, chilling. Okay, we have a special guest. We are gonna add her. You guys have her Instagram in the last video, but I'm gonna add it again.
She far as shit. Why she so far? She's so fun. But no one has even right back to him.
This is the third blunt. So guys, we are back at the house. I am going to put background music on this because I'm playing music in the background. Alright guys, so that was that. I had a good time. Hope you had a good time watching this video and a good 420 as well, because I did too. And make sure you hit that like button, hit that post notification bell, and that subscribe button, and definitely hit all post notifications so you can get my videos when I first post them. Bye guys.